everyone, and welcome back to Skilling Minds. I am Preeti, and today we are here with our part 2 video on project management overview. In case you have missed to watch our introduction part 1 on project management, the link is right there in the description box below. Today's topic is project management overview. To be able to run a project successfully, a project manager must have the correct understanding of project phases, life cycles, team, and governance. So let's understand these definitions through the presentation. In case you're new to my channel, please do subscribe with the bell notification so that you're the first one to receive our videos. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So let's get started right away.
Welcome to Skilling Minds, where we impart skill knowledge with easy to understand presentations and hands-on sessions. So whether you're a student or a corporate professional or a homemaker or an entrepreneur, adding skills helps you to increase productivity and attain proficiency. Most people delay adding new skills either due to lack of time or resources. But here at Skilling Minds, we will enable you to learn new skills at your own pace that can help you to stay ahead in today's competitive world. So let's jump straight away into today's topic and add a new skill to our portfolio with Skilling Minds. Welcome to Part 2 Project Management Overview. In this part, we will be going through few definitions that will encompass an overview for project management. These definitions are project governance, project success, project team, project phases, and project life cycle. What is project governance? It is an oversight function that is aligned with the organization's governance model and that encompasses the project life cycle. Project governance framework provides the project manager and team with structure, processes, decision-making models, and tools for managing the projects while supporting and controlling the project for successful delivery. Project governance is a critical element of any project, especially on complex and risky projects. It provides a comprehensive, consistent method of controlling the project and ensuring its success by defining and documenting and communicating reliable, repeatable project practices. It includes a framework for making project decisions, define roles, responsibilities, and accountabilities for the success of the project, and also determines the effectiveness of a project manager. A project's governance is defined by and fits within the large context of the portfolio, program, or organization sponsoring it, but is separate from organizational governance. Let us now look into some examples of the elements of a project governance framework. Examples could be project success and deliverable acceptance criteria that we set up step by step to ensure that the project is successful and all the deliverables are in line with the project success. Also, process to identify, escalate, and resolve issues that arise during the project are part of project governance framework. Another example could be project for stage gate or phase-wise reviews. What is project success? Since projects are temporary in nature, the success of the project should be measured in terms of completing the project within the constraints of scope, time, cost, quality, resources, and risk as approved between the project managers and senior management. To ensure realization of benefits for the undertaken project, a test period such as soft launch in services can be part of the total project time before handing it over to the permanent operations. Project success should be referred to the last baselines approved by the authorized stakeholders. The project manager is responsible and also accountable for setting realistic and achievable boundaries for the project and to accomplish the project within the approved baselines. What is a project team? The project team includes the project manager and the group of individuals who act together in performing the work of the project to achieve its objectives. The project team includes the project manager, project management staff, and other team members who carry out the work but who are not necessarily involved with management of the project. This team is comprised of individuals from different groups with specific subject matter knowledge or with a specific skill set to carry out the work of the project. The structure and characteristics of a project team can vary widely, but one constant is the project manager's role as the leader of the team, regardless of what authority the project manager may have over its members. Examples of project team are project management staff, where the members of the team who perform project management activities such as scheduling, budgeting, reporting, controlling, etc. Another example is project staff, where the members of the team carry out the work of creating the project deliverables. It could also be supporting experts, where the team is required to develop or execute the project management plan. It could be user or customer representative, where the members of the organization who will accept the deliveries of products of the project and may be assigned to act as representatives or licensed to ensure proper coordination. It could be sellers, also called as vendors, or contractors, that can be external companies that enter a contractual agreement to provide components or services necessary for the project. It could be business partner members who are assigned as members of the project team to ensure proper coordination. And lastly, business partners who are also external companies, but they have a special relationship with the enterprise. What are project phases? A project may be divided into any number of phases. A project phase is a collection of logically related project activities that culminates in the completion of one or more deliverables. Project phases are used when the nature of the work to be performed is unique to a portion of the project and are typically linked to the development of a specific major deliverable. A phase may emphasize processes from a particular project management process group, but it is likely that most or all processes will be executed in some form in each phase. Project phases typically are completed sequentially, but can overlap in some project situations. Different phases typically have a different duration or effort. The high-level nature of project phases makes them an element of the project life cycle. The phase structure allows the project to be segmented into logical subsets for ease of management, planning, and control. The number of phases, the need for phases, and the degree of control applied depend on the size, complexity, and potential impact of the project. Regardless of the number of phases comprising a project, all phases have similar characteristics. Example of a typical project with project phases are initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and control, and finally closing. What is a project life cycle? A project life cycle is the series of phases that a project passes through from its initiation to its closure. The phases are generally sequential, and their names and numbers are determined by the management and control needs of the organization or organizations involved in the project, the nature of the project itself, and its area of application. The phases can be broken down by functional or partial objectives, intermediate results or deliverables, specific milestones within the overall scope of work, or financial availability. Phases are generally time-bounded with a start and ending or control point. A life cycle can be documented within a methodology. The project life cycle can be determined or shaped by the unique aspects of the organization, industry, or technology employed. While every project has a definite start and a definite end, the specific deliverables and activities that take place in between will vary widely with the project. The life cycle provides the basic framework for managing the project regardless of the specific work involved. The different types of project life cycle are predictive, iterative and incremental, and adaptive. Predictive life cycles, also known as fully plan driven, are ones in which the project scope and the time and cost required to deliver that scope are determined as early in the project life cycle as practically possible. Iterative and incremental life cycles are ones in which project phases, also called iterations, intentionally repeat one or more project activities as the project team's understanding of the product increases. And adaptive life cycles, also known as change-driven or agile methods, are intended to respond to high levels of change and ongoing stakeholder involvement. If you like this video, then please go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe Skilling Minds. Leave us a comment on which skill video would you like to watch next. Also, press the bell notification button so that you're informed as soon as we upload a new skill video. Till then, take care and bye.